What supports are available if I tested positive for COVID? If you or your child test COVID-19 positive, you will receive a text message from the testing lab confirming your diagnosis. You will receive a second text message from the Department of Health. It will include a link to a short survey to assess your care needs. The assessment survey will ask you about your vaccination status, your symptoms, your general health, location you have been to in the past week, if you are happy to contact your GP for help. Depending on your circumstances, you may also receive an additional text message survey and/or follow-up phone call from your local health service to clarify your care needs. It is important to answer these calls so you can be connected to the right care pathway for your or your children's needs. If you are unable to complete the surveys, you will receive a follow-up phone call from your local health service. You and the people you live with must quarantine at home. You must tell your social contacts, such as friends you caught up with, your employer or school, that you had COVID-19 and recommend they get tested. If staying at home means you will miss out on income, you may be eligible for a 1,500 pandemic leave disaster payment. If you have any questions, call Services Australia on 180-2266. Food relief packages if you are in isolation. Free emergency food relief packages are available if you cannot get food because of coronavirus. You do not have to be an Australian citizen or permanent resident to get an emergency relief package. To get an emergency food relief package, you must be in self-isolation or quarantine because you have coronavirus, are waiting for test results, or are a close contact. Not have friends, family, or other people who can help you. To get a package, call the coronavirus hotline on 1-800-675-398. If you need an interpreter, choose option 0 when you call the hotline. If you do not need an interpreter, choose option 4 directly for food support for people with coronavirus. If you cannot call the hotline yourself, someone you know can call for you. The call center will ask a series of questions to determine the relief needs of the caller, and the call center will refer to the following relief pathways. Australian Red Cross, if the need is not urgent, can wait 24 to 48 hours. Department of Families, Fairness and Houses, if the need is urgent, needed the same day. Integrated Intake Assessment and Triage Service, if there is a need for emergency accommodation or welfare supports. What is in the package? Basic foods such as cereal, long-life milk, sugar, pasta, and canned vegetables are in the package. It also has personal items such as soap, deodorant, and toothpaste. If you need it, you can also get nappies and baby formula. You can also ask to get sanitary packs for women. The packages are free and will give you enough basic food and personal items for 2 weeks. If you are too sick or unable to cook for yourself, you may be able to get meals delivered. When you call the hotline, your details will be given to your local council and they will contact you about support options. How will I get the package? The package will be left at your door for you to pick up.